Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today we are going to learn standard 7th lesson number 4, angles and pair of angles. Now see children, we all know about the angle, correct? We know how to draw the angle, how to read the name of angle, what is the vertex, what is the arms of the angle. That already we learned that all the things from 4th standard onwards, correct? And this year we are going to learn about angle and pair of angles. Now see children, very important lesson. The first topic, that is means interior and exterior of the angle. Okay. Now interior and exterior. Interior and exterior. Okay. Two things are there. Now see children, we all are sitting in the class. Okay. So this is interior part of the class. Okay. When I go outside of the class, so that time whenever I stand outside of the class, so that part is exterior part of that class. Correct. Now see, for example, this is our angle. Whatever the part is occupied by angle, that is means interior. Okay. And whatever the part is outside, that is means exterior. Got it? Now interior and exterior. So for example, P, Q, R. Okay. Then interior points. Okay. We have to, how many points we have to find in inside or interior part of the angle. So interior part, there is point P, point R and point Q. These are interior. Okay. So we have to write down point word is necessary. Point P, comma, point R, comma, point Q. Understood children? Now moving to the next, that is means exterior. Exterior means outside. Okay. So which points are lie outside? So F is there, E is there. Okay. So point F and point E. Got it children? Afterward, again one important, that is means on the. Okay. Now what the points are on the angle? Okay. So see, point A, point B and point D and point C. Those are on the angle. Okay. Points on the angle. Okay. So point A, point B, point C and point D also. See, this is our D. Okay, this is the first lesson on problem set 15. Question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table. Angle AWB they given. I given this example my own mind. Okay, so children understood how to find out interior. Then points which are lie inside means exterior, interior and points on the arms of the angle. Okay, now afterwards second topic from this lesson, that is means adjacent angle. Okay, what is the meaning of that? Adjacent angle. Now what is the meaning of adjacent angle? Okay, so when we have to thinking about the adjacent angle, so the meaning of adjacent means neighboring. Okay, neighboring. Now what is the meaning of neighboring? First of all, I rub this board. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, simple and easy to identify the angle. Three things are most important to identify or recognize the adjacent angle. Apart from that, the first one, that is means common arm is there. Okay, common arm is there, common vertex is there and different interior part is there. Okay, now see children, this is our classroom. Beside again one classroom is there. Okay, so beside one classroom and this classroom, between one wall is there, correct? So this classroom and neighboring classroom, okay, so that is adjacent. Understood the meaning of adjacent? Now see, I have shown you on the board. For example, this is our angle A, B and C, okay, and I draw one ray inside that, okay. Now see, adjacent angle, how we have to identify? So three things are there. The first one, that is means common arm is there, common vertex is there and different interior is there, okay. So these angles are called adjacent angle. So how to write down the pair? Angle ABO and angle OBC. OBC. Now again I repeat, the meaning of adjacent angle means common arm is there. Now see, both having a common arm, okay. Then common vertex B, common vertex, common arm. Now I am writing here BO, correct, and common vertex B, okay. And interior part, both angles having a different interior part, okay. So therefore these angles are called adjacent angles. Understand everyone? Now question number second, in practice set 15, they given one diagram like this. For example, A, B, C and D. Now see children, how we have to write down the name of the adjacent angle. So pay attention here. Suppose I am taking this angle, angle ABC, okay. This angle is adjacent of angle ABD. Why? Because AB is common arm, B is the common vertex and both having a different interior. So this is our one pair. Understand? Now I am writing on the board angle ABC and angle ABD. Okay. Now this is first pair. Now second pair, angle ABD with angle BDC. Okay. Angle ABD and angle DBC. DBC. See children, ABD means this ABD and DBC. So BD is our common arm. See, BD is our common arm. B is our common vertex. And both having different interior part. Understand children? Simple and easy to identify the adjacent angle. If you like my content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. थक गई मैं.